Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on your vehicle in about 10 minutes or less. In addition to changing the blades, I'll also show you how to put the wiper arms into the service position on select Hyundai and Kia vehicles where you can't lift the arm off of the windshield because it contacts the hood. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. To start, make sure you have the correct size and type of wiper blade for your vehicle. This information can be found at your local dealership, inside of the owner's manual, or simply by measuring the blade itself. To access the service position on select Hyundai and Kia vehicles, turn the vehicle off from the on position. To access on without the vehicle running, simply double press the start button without your foot on the brake. Then once more to turn it back off. Within 20 seconds of turning it off, hold the wiper stalk up or in the missed position for about 3 seconds. Once the wipers have raised into the service position partway onto the windshield, you can now pull the arms off of the windshield to change the blade. Most Hyundai vehicles will feature the J-hook wiper design, which will have a clip that needs to be depressed while pushing the wiper off of the hook. Repeat these steps in reverse to install the new blade, making sure the wiper clicks or locks into place. Once both wipers are changed and you're ready to return the wipers to the rest position, turn the vehicle on and push the miss position once. This will return the arms to the rest position. So that's how to change the wiper blades in your vehicle. Generally, wipers should be changed every 12 months or immediately if you see any streaking, chatter, or reduced performance from the blade. This will vary greatly depending on the quality of the wiper and the condition they're exposed to, but generally 12 months or if you see reduced performance is a good rule of thumb to replace the blade. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful on how to replace the wiper blades on your vehicle. If you have any questions or comments on this process, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you did find this video helpful or just enjoyed watching it, make sure to hit that like button. It greatly helps out these videos and the channel. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I post, and check out some of the other content here on the channel. And speaking of the additional content here on the channel, I have additional how-to automotive related content, model year changes, as well as walk around videos. So if you're interested in automotive content, there's something you'll probably like here on the channel. So once again, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching, and as always, hope to see you guys in the next one.